We're going to take a look at the Okinos ARGB case fan that I just got. It looks like it's not, the controller is not, you don't need to be actually directed at the controller itself. So let's take a look at it. Here's MBC sync. Here's Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, red, green, blue, LED speed, not sure what that is, and then the fan does make it faster. Then slower, then there's auto, depends on the temperature of the case, the motherboard, and then there's lock mode, mode down, hold on off. So yeah, there's it installed. Let's see. So I have the fan blowing, so you on this one is blowing out that way, so this side's open, okay, and then on this side, this side's open, and then the back side, let me show you, right there is blowing that way. So this is the braces for the motor itself is on this side, so it's blowing that way. This one's blowing that way, and then I have the cables pointing down here, going that way, putting down, going that way, putting down, going that way, same thing. And then let's see. Let's see if I can see it. Cannot see it. So let's see. Shut it off. Let's see what I got. Okay, let's see. I have one of the power cables going to, this is the RGB or fan and light controller. So here's the power that goes to it, and then this is the fan 1 I mean, okay, fan 1, LED 1, so this one's connected to this one, the one on top, and then LED 2 fan, and then modes and speed and fan speed. Let's see, and then it goes up to 5 and 6 fans can be connected to this, and then data is to the motherboard fan, okay. And reset switch also is available on that. And let me show you where. Let's see. Right there is where the RGB fan is, and I'm not even sure what to do with this. Probably gonna pull it and stick it back in there. It's not needed. So yeah, like and subscribe. This is setup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 in, 2 out. Plus GPU out. Sort of. GPU pulls in that way and spreads this way. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you guys.